If you have central nervous system disorders, joint and bone diseases, or autoimmune skin conditions, you can benefit from using Copaiba oil. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any natural health tips with me. Copaiba oil has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it also works as a bactericide, germicide, and fungicide. Studies have shown it's effective in treating diseases like leishmaniasis and tuberculosis. It also helps improve skin conditions such as psoriasis, reducing flaking, inflammation, and improving overall skin texture. It works throughout the body, but especially benefits the central nervous system because it has a cannabinoid effect. That means it supports both central and peripheral nervous system health, helping with anxiety and aiding in the treatment of conditions like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. There's also research showing its action against cancer cells, reducing their replication by 75 to 90%. The same study revealed that Copaiba oil can boost the effects of chemotherapy by up to 10 times, making it a very promising ally in cancer treatment. Another study with rats showed that Copaiba oil helps control pulmonary artery hypertension and reduces right ventricular hypertrophy caused by it. That points to a cardioprotective effect that could be helpful for humans as well. Later in the video, I'll show you how to use Copaiba oil to treat some of these health issues. Copaiba oil helps reduce the release of inflammatory cytokines and blocks the nuclear translocation of NF-κB triggered by lipopolysaccharides. In simpler terms, it prevents the activation of harmful genes in the body. As you can see, it doesn't just work on a surface level. It reduces inflammation systemically and helps regulate gene expression, making it a great tool for healthy aging and longevity. This oil is extracted from the trunk of the Copaiba tree. It's a natural resin that the plant uses to protect itself from viruses, bacteria, and fungi. In the past, the tree had to be cut to collect the oil, but now it's done by drilling the trunk, so the tree stays intact and healthy. Copaiba oil is antiseptic, expectorant, antitetanic, and supports the central nervous system, improving cognition. It also helps treat rheumatic conditions, easing joint pain and improving mobility. Because of its antiseptic effect, it can also be used on wounds. And since it's a diuretic, it helps with urinary infections, incontinence, cystitis, and even constipation and stomach ulcers. It's also great for hair. It treats fungus, dandruff, seborrhea, and protects hair from damage caused by dyes. Have you ever used Copaiba oil? Let me know in the comments how you used it. And if you haven't tried it yet, tell me what you'd like to use it for. But be careful. Although it helps with gut issues, it can also irritate the stomach in sensitive people. So make sure to use it with proper medical guidance to stay safe. Now let's talk about how to use it. If you have rheumatic diseases, joint pain, or muscle aches, you can apply the oil directly to the skin, massaging it into the affected area to reduce inflammation. If you have psoriasis, you might benefit from ingesting a drop, depending on your sensitivity and weight, and always with medical guidance. You can also apply it directly to the skin. This will help with inflammation, skin texture, flaking, and redness. And if you want to protect your hair, treat dandruff or seborrhea, you can mix Copaiba oil with coconut oil or castor oil and apply it at night. Then rinse it out in the morning. It'll help soothe inflammation on your scalp. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. It helps my channel grow and spreads this information to more people. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. Turn on notifications so we can meet again in the next video.